Now we will discuss about the forward rate agreement. What is a forward rate agreement? A forward rate agreement is a financial contract that allows party to lock in an interest rate for a future period. FRAs are over-the-counter derivatives and are used for hedging interest rate risk for shorter periods. Features of FRA are non-transferable off-balance sheet contracts, interest rate agreements for notional principal amounts as it is notional is never exchanged, hedge interest rate risk for shorter periods. FRA selling is receiving fixed interest rates against paying floating interest, protection for falling interest rates. FRA buying is paying fixed interest rate against receiving floating interest rate, protection against rising interest rate. FRA has contract date, future period start date and future period end date. So basically you are doing a transaction today starting from a specific date and ending on a specific date. In a FRA, difference between fixed interest and benchmark floating interest rate is settled. Interest difference is discounted by benchmark floating interest rate for FRA number of days and settled on future period start date. So what do you understand by a forward rate agreement? Just to make it clear, suppose the 3-month rate is 6% and 6-month rate is 7%. So on an interest rate parity theorem or based on interest rate parity, after 3 months, the 3-month rate has to be 8% to arrive at non-arbitrage interest rates. So basically, since for the first 3 months you are getting 6% and for the 6 months you are getting 7%, so if you are not getting 8% after 3 months, then it will be better if you deploy the funds today for 6 months at 7%. So that is what this particular product creates, a market for that kind of a product where the interest rate arbitrage is not there. Otherwise, you can sell one side and buy one side and make money if there is a difference between the interest rates after 3 months for next 3 months. So that is why these instruments are traded and they are liquid instruments and they create a market for short-term hedgings for balance sheets.